First, open the Settings app on your Android phone. Scroll down and tap Google. Then tap Password Manager. Here, you'll see all the saved passwords linked to your Google account. Select the website or app whose saved password you want to remove. Verify your identity using your PIN, pattern, password, or fingerprint if prompted. Now tap the Delete button. Tap Delete again to confirm. The saved password will now be removed from your Google Password Manager. Repeat the same steps for any other saved passwords you want to delete. That's it. This is how you can remove saved passwords on an Android phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.